Understanding Textual Evidence, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very important concept, textual evidence. Whether you're reading a book, analyzing an article, or writing an essay, understanding and using textual evidence is key. Let's dive into what it means and how you can master it. Textual evidence refers to the details or information within a text that you can use to support your arguments, ideas, or responses in writing or speaking. It's like being a detective. You're gathering clues from the text to build a strong case for your interpretation or understanding. There are different types of textual evidence. 1. Direct quotes. These are exact words taken from the text. They are powerful because they provide concrete examples. 2. Paraphrasing. This involves putting a piece of text into your own words. It shows you understand the material but also want to express it in a unique way. 3. Summarizing. This is giving a brief overview of a larger text. It's useful when you want to give an overview of the main points. Here's how to effectively use textual evidence. Introduce evidence. Start by presenting the evidence in a way that relates to your argument. Cite the evidence. Whether it's a direct quote, paraphrase, or summary, always acknowledge the source. Explain the evidence. Discuss how this evidence supports your argument or point of view. Let's look at some examples. Example with a direct quote. As Shakespeare wrote, "To be, or not to be, that is the question." This famous line questions the value of life and existence. Example with paraphrasing. In her novel, the author describes a dystopian world where freedom is restricted, highlighting the importance of individual liberty in society. Example with summarizing. The article summarizes the impacts of global warming, emphasizing the urgency for environmental action. And that's a wrap on textual evidence. Remember, using textual evidence effectively can greatly enhance your writing and speaking skills. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time. See you in our next lesson.